When three young men went to the sea, they accidentally caught a strange-looking fish. There's a heated discussion going on how to deal with this fish. The most unacceptable thing is they realize this fish also has foul-smelling mucus on it. Friends with cleanliness can't stand it anymore. Don't look at this strange fish with a hint of disgusting mucus. This strange fish is not light in weight. The fish weighed up to 75 kilograms and 150 centimeters long. This guy said should get a good price on the market. But the three young men have never seen a fish like this. Decided to give him a try. Three young men are curious about this peculiar fish. They're going to cut this weird fish open to see. The first step is to clean up the slime on the strange fish. Otherwise, it's disgusting. You can't eat this stuff. So they tried to use the brush the mucus off the weird fish, and it doesn't work, as long as they keep hard trying to. There are more solutions than difficulties. They took a different approach, always sprinkled with all-purpose flour. The flour powder keeps rubbing, and it worked. After quite a while, the mucus is basically clean. After cleaning, the appearance of the strange fish is visible. Open the mouth of the strange fish. This weird fish has good teeth. It's still clean, and look at the top of its head. I don't know what it's for. A little squeeze. The blue liquid that flows out like his skin. I guess this fish is not poisonous. The boy seems to be getting more and more curious. He wanted to tear off the scales of this strange fish with bare hands. I guess it's hard, but it worked. Sure enough, it can't be pulled out. The boy is angry. He goes straight to the knife and tries to peel the skin off. As soon as they cut open, the three people were stunned. Fish inside also blew. Is it mutated? The fish secretly ate the pigments. Anyway, let's all cut to this one, except for some of the internal organs that are normally red. Others are still very bright blue. It seems that the poison has not all spread to the internal organs. And then, the boys would saw off the heads. The fish made a weird noise while sawing. I became more and more afraid of this fish, but the lads seemed to be interested in this strange fish. This led them to a greater curiosity. They decided to cut up the fish into sashimi. This strange fish is also quite miserable. Just happened to meet these three foodies. You have to cut this fish into 8 pieces if you want to eat. After a while, the fish is cut up. Only the blue skeleton remains. And then the guys started making sashimi. Cut the fish into slices. It feels good to look at this beautiful fish. It looks so fat, yet firm. It is really appetizing. The boy picked up a piece and tried it early. Not with satisfaction. It means that this strange fish tastes unexpectedly very delicious. Not wildly satisfied with the meat quality of this fish. Look at the unfulfilled expressions of the boys. I guess I want to come again?